Welcome to the product presentation of the frunk for the iX1. Simply remove the original cover with a small tug from the rubber buffers or mounting pins. It is attached in 4 places and can be taken off. And of course, keep it in case you want to revert the frunk back to its original state. Then simply position the frunk correctly place it onto the original mounting bolts and press it down. And do this 4 times in total. And here. And that's all there is to it. Additionally, the frunk is of course also supported here with a support buffer and on the back side with a damping strip. Yes, that's it. To remove it, follow the same order. Just pull firmly. And take it out again. Now we can load the frunk. The left deeper section is very well suited for placing the charging cable with the plugs, especially the plugs, into the deeper part. You should make sure not to put very small items directly into the frunk, but rather transport very small items in a bag, either in the large bag or in the small bag, depending on what you want to transport. The middle compartment is also quite practical for smaller items, like in my case. I like to take an extra safety vest or an umbrella with me. As you have seen, putting it in, well, you can't really call it installing, is really very easy and done in just a few seconds. Now all that's left for me is to wish you always a safe, accident-free drive with your great iX1, equipped with the built-in frunk. Yours, Josef from frunk.at.